Okay, now we're ready to actually look for the contact details nitong mga businesses na to, yung mga nag-post nitong job adverts na to. And we're gonna be contacting them via cold email. Yun yung ideal na scenario. And I'm gonna be showing you yung three kinds of pitches that we can do. All right. So, first thing na gagawin natin. Before we proceed pala, I realized hindi ko na pakita yung sa example search terms. So we just use the first page dito kasi LinkedIn na siya. But actually, itong search terms na to when we're looking for job posts on social media, whether that's LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, uh, itong document na to actually contains a lot. So may TikTok pa pala, no? So yan, sa Instagram and TikTok, hashtags yung hinahanap natin. Yan, meron general keyword patterns ito. Ito pala yung hinahanap ko kanina, service. So uh, e-com developer or Shopify developer plus conversion. Well, hindi natin lalagay yung plus. So ito yung document niya, ang dami. May examples pa nga dito. Yan. So this is almost 50 pages of examples here. So yeah, you can just browse this. But again, don't get lost in the uh, amount of tips na meron dito. Just uh, search for something na ano, parang pag may nakita kang ano na, pwede na, gamitin mo na yan. Just, uh, it doesn't really matter if you read all of this. Basta importante is gumagalaw tayo. So, ito, need help redesigning my site. Yan. Simple lang yung ano. Hanapin mo na yan sa TikTok siguro. Under TikTok siya eh. Or Facebook posts. Di ba? You can copy-paste this kung Squarespace developer ka. Copy-paste this sa search bar ng Facebook. Tapos, hanapin mo lang din yung posts. So, yeah, that's beside the point. Ito yung ano, I just wanted to show you this one kasi hindi ko napakita. Again, this document is linked dun sa previous video natin. But now, we have these five job adverts that we're interested in, or at least we want to explore this. Hahanapin na natin ngayon yung ano na, yung direct contact info if we can find them. So, hindi ko pa ito nagawa. I'm just doing this as I'm recording this video. So, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. Shopify Web Designer. Steppers. Ayan. Yan na yung ano. Yan na yung uh, company name, I guess. Unless this is a recruitment agency. So, we don't know that yet. It's okay. Basta meron tayong manote na detail dito. So, ito yung hinahanap nila. Okay, so we can do this. Let's say, okay. So, pag nakita natin yan, nabasa na natin and we want to continue, sige, tingnan natin yung apply. Ano ba yung nakalagay dito sa apply? Steppers nga. So, sige. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga hinahanap nila. Okay, so you can fill this out. Uh, but again, hindi naman ito yung parang a main way that we're gonna be contacting them. So since na-confirm na nga natin na mukhang Steppers yung company, you can just search Google for Steppers. Ano ba sila? Are we even interested in the products that they sell? So ito, yan. So yan yung website nila. e-commerce site. So, I guess this is Shopify, di ba? Since yun ang hinahanap nila. Okay. Info@steppers.com. So, yeah, that's ano, kind of useful. Pero usually kasi ang marketing site or ang e-commerce site, ang email address na nandyan is it's gonna go to the customer service kasi ang pupunta naman dito sa site na to are customers. So, hanapin natin yung owner. Steppers owner. Okay, about us. Ay, wala. Back. Ito, co-founder, Stepper Limited Imperial College. Hindi. Okay, so hindi natin alam yung hindi natin mahanap. Wala. Steppers Ecom owner. Yan, di ba? Steppers Facebook. Basically, we're just looking for info, any way that we can find this company. So I guess hanapin natin LinkedIn. Strep. Steppers. Ito. Yeah. So we found it. So yung hires niya dito about people. Yeah, meron siyang staff from Philippines. Okay, so hindi natin mahanap yung ano, yung actual owner. So what we can do is uh yeah, wala, hindi naka-display yung owner. Scaling e-commerce. So ano to? Freelancer to. This one, e-commerce din, web din siya. To, CEO. CEO. So, it's possible na ano, ito na yung person na hinanap natin. So we can actually uh get this one. Vismantas. You. Visma. So wala, it looks like hindi natin mahanap yung ano, yung actual email address niya. So what you can do is we can message him on LinkedIn. So I'm not gonna click that kasi example lang naman to. Basically, ang mangyayari dito is once we've found them, so meron na tayong pwedeng ilagay sa, do you remember this? Yung kanilang, yung ating top 100. Email, well, wala tayong email niya, so let's just put the LinkedIn. Status. Wala pa. Wala pa tayong nagawa. So, yan. Okay. Next is, so yan, nahanap na natin siya, di ba? Check. So again, walang set na process for this. Employer, Michael Hall. Actually, nakalagay Visma. Oh. So, actually, pwede mo na siya makontakt dito eh. Si Visma na mismo yung ma makakausap mo dito. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. Michael Hall. And Ashlex LLC. So what is Ashlex LLC? So since alam na natin si Visma, okay na yan. Ashlex Group. Ashlex LLC. Ito yung mas specific. Ayun din, Ashlex Group din. So it looks like they're an agency that kumbaga naghahanap siya ng developer to join their growing team. So ayan, nakalagay naman dito na yung work na gagawin mo inside the agency would be for a client outside. So sila yung maghahanap ng clients nila tapos papagawa sa iyo yung deliverables. So if this is okay with you, hanapin mo si Michael Hall. So this is probably not the job listing that we want kasi agency to. And yeah, pag agency, obviously fixed na yung mga ano nila, yung rates na mabibigay. They're a bit more uh, rigid in that. So let's say skip muna natin to since agency sila. We can note here agency, skip for now. Now, if we want to apply for that or like contact them later on, okay lang naman. But let's not waste our time on them. So, next. To, you'll work directly with the founder and our marketing team. So, hindi natin alam yung company. Pero, nilagay dyan yung name. So, sino to? Check natin kung walang details on the company. Ito, CEO and founder of SR Legacy Media. Or it could be this guy. But it's more likely this guy. Again, walang set na process dito. So, Errol and Gilda are mutual connections. CRO, Ecom. So it looks like he's the guy we're looking for. Contact info. Uh, yeah, again, hanapin natin email. CEO email. Meron ba silang SR Legacy Media? Wala. Marcos Senior yung lumalabas, Legacy. Ito. So it looks like ano rin sila, agency din sila. Kasi ang content niya is how we hindi nakalagay kasi dito how we set up winning tests. 8 and 9 figure e-com brand. So it looks like agency sila and they also do uh CRO for clients. Okay, so sige, agency. Again, if you're interested naman in an agency position, wala namang problema. We can also apply the same strategy na gagawin natin mamaya for this one. So mamaya, I'll show you that. Oh, wrap. Okay, work for impact. Philippines. 3 days ago. Bagong-bago. Zoe Sanchez. Customer support specialist. Hindi. Okay, so mukhang ano to, for agency din tong Work for Impact. Ay, hindi. Ano sila? Na placement sila. Placement. So we're not looking for a job with Work for Impact. Sila yung naghahanap ng tao to, yeah, placement sila. Tapos ipapasok ka nila dun sa company na client nila na nagpahanap ng Shopify developer. So in this case, since recruiter to, we won't actually be able to find any details on who the company is. Kasi nga, recruitment firm sila eh. So, they would want to, um, they would want to keep that secret. Kasi parang nga hindi ka makadiretso sa kanila. You would have to go through their process and uh, secured the position through this recruitment agency, which is okay lang naman. Some companies really do not have the bandwidth, or CEO does not have the bandwidth to interview or to hire, ganyan. So, in-outsource nila to. So, skip natin yan. Wala yan. Recruiter. Okay na yan. Ibig sabihin, pag na-strike off, ano na natin, maka-move on na tayo. Pag hindi pa, it means babalikan natin later. Okay, ito. Ads Flux Marketing is also a agency. So yan, obviously, since puro agency, puro recruiter ang nahanap natin, except for the first one, uh, it means na yung search natin is not as effective or hindi siya specific enough. Like, we were able to find our job title, no problem. Marami tayong nakuhang job posts na looking for Shopify developer. Marami tayong nakita. But since we didn't take the time to really look at them talaga, then that's why ang mga nakuha natin is more of agencies. Which is okay lang naman, hindi naman problema. Again, if you are interested in an agency position, then okay lang. Go ahead. But taking some more time dito sa pag-filter or tignan. So ito, looks like sila talaga yung company na may-ari nung brand na yun. Hindi sila agency na working for a client. So this one pwede natin gamitin. Edit your art. Ay, mali uli. Ano nga yun? Ito, share. Copy link. Hindi tayo. Edit your art. Then we can look for that company. What is... Yan, hindi natin siya mahanap. Edit your art. Ano ba yun? Agency rin. See? So, clients din na hinanap nila. So, possible na dito sa LinkedIn, hindi natin nahanap yung mga direct clients. Baka nasa Facebook sila or nasa mismong ano sila, Shopify. So one thing we can do is, ano ba, find Shopify stores in, say, motorcycle gear stores. Yan, so lalabas na yung mga stores dito na, or kung ano man yung market mo However, these ones, hindi ka nakakasigurado na they're looking for the for a role, for your role, so for your service. So it's better to stick to this kind of search na Shopify developer. Uli. Yan. So possibly sa Facebook natin sila mahanap. So I'm not gonna do that anymore since we already have like a good example here. We can proceed na dun sa pag-pitch natin. And again, we are pitching to this guy, si Visma sa Steppers. Ang gagawin natin is we're gonna message him. Again, I'm not gonna do that. Pero, so, assuming that we were able to find his email address by some way sa Steppers website, for example. Step. Hmm. What we can do is we're gonna message him on LinkedIn. Pero just for the sake of this example, I'm gonna do it as if we found the email address. Ha? So if you're able to find an email address, kasi yun yung pinaka-best. But since hindi natin nahanap, we're gonna send this message na i-compose natin right now. We're gonna send it to his LinkedIn profile, which is this one, this one. Yung message natin dyan. So, basically, yung pag-pitch natin is can be found dito sa tong document na to, which is yung cover letter template and sample, which you're gonna be able to find below this video. So, dalawa yung templates natin. One is yung meron kang case study. The other one is yung pag wala kang case study or wala kang sample work or basically yung fresh ka from week 1 tapos wala ka pang nagawa dun sa PCI week 2 to 7. So, gawin muna natin yung first kasi meron tayong case study. So, basically, ang gagawin lang natin is yung case study na to from our ChatGPT output. We're just gonna put it in a Google Doc and make sure na it's public. Anyone can view. So, ang gagawin natin is first, we're gonna get this template, copy it, and paste it dun sa message box natin. Yan. Alagyan natin yan. So, I'm not gonna do it here kasi nga baka masend natin bigla. Let's just put it in for example, yeah, an email. Yun yan. Kunyari, nakuha natin yung email address niya. So, itong mga red, syempre papalitan natin. So, ano yung first name niya? Visma. Or Shopify CRO expert. Yari. Ano yung hinahanap niya? Yeah, Shopify web designer and copywriter. Wala. Yeah, so make sure you use yung ano nila, yung terms na ginamit nila. I'm Luis. So this is your name, and I help offer statement. E-commerce stores convert more, cost more visitors, improve customers. Okay, so about how e-com stores can implement. So sorry about this. Papalitan ko yung template kasi we don't want to give the impression nga na it's our we're declaring it as our output, especially since hindi naman tayo yung gumawa nitong case study na to. Implement. Ano yung hinanap nila? Okay, so hinanap nila give customers the best shopping experience possible. Ang gagawin natin, implement uh, checkout optimization to give customers the best shopping experience. So ito nanggaling lang to sa ano nila, job post. If we do uh, end up having an engagement or in business. So link to case study, ito yung ano, link natin. Uh, itong document. Link. Tapos ito kung may calendar link ka, meron. Lalagay mo dito. Or kung wala naman, let's say wala akong calendar link, delete ko lang to. Then, lagay mo yung ano, yeah, re-Shopify. Lalagay mo yung email address niya, Visma, something. Tapos send mo na. Yeah, that's the way that we do yung first pitch, which is yung case study pitch. The second way is yung portfolio na meron tayo. Yung ginawa natin sa Canva, which includes our sample work. You can just change it, change here. Here's some of my sample work. Plus, yan. So gagawin mo lang yan, lalagay mo yan dun sa second way. This is the second way. And then to change mo to yung link ng portfolio mo. So this is the Canva site link. Siyempre, pipaste mo dyan yung actual link ng ano mo, ng Canva portfolio mo. And then change mo yung yan. So yun yung mangyayari. Then lastly, the third way is uh, this template pag wala kang experience, wala kang portfolio, wala kang case study. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, again, paste the template to your email body or dun sa message mo sa LinkedIn or sa Facebook or wherever that is. Again, ulitin natin, Visma. What are they looking for? Galing to dun sa job post. Make sure to use yung hinahanap nila na yung actual words na ginamit nila. Copy and paste lang. No, what's happening? Yeah. To. So, again, galing din to sa to. We can use this one. So, you don't have to use the same one all the time. Basta, tignan mo kung ano yung mga details na nilagay nila sa job post. And then make sure yung grammar is correct. You do with create, with creating. Ayan, may suggestion naman pala siya. Have a familiarity with ano yung job? Shopify development. I'm attempting to gain experience here on platform. So this one, tong sentence na to is for when you're contacting them on the platform. So sa mismong online jobs. But again, we're not doing that here. So ang gagawin natin is tatanggalin natin yan. I'm attempting to gain experience here on. So wala naman yan. It doesn't really add any value to our code email. So yeah. Tanggalin na lang natin. Then send na. And that's pretty much it dun sa dun sa pag-pitch natin. So again, ginamit lang natin yung portfolio link natin and yung case study link natin in order to uh, connect with somebody who's looking for our service already. So, pwede tayong dumiretso sa ganun sa pitch na agad kasi naghahanap na sila. Hindi na natin kailangan ng rapport or yung glad to be glad to be connected, if you know somebody who is looking for ganito, ganyan, yung mga pakipot na ganun. Since they're the ones na looking for it already, it would be weird to ask them kung may kilala sila na naghahanap nun. Kasi nga, meron na silang job post, naghahanap na talaga sila eh. So, we can go straight to the pitch. That's why we have this prepared na from week 7. So, yun lang yun. Again, yung mga materials, they're in the links below this video. And yeah, so that's it. Uh, I guess this is congrats kasi tapos na yung once you submit your output for week 8. So basically tapos na yung yung premium client intensive. So that was 8 weeks of intense talaga na freelancing client getting activities. And I know, like, for a lot of people who joined us this time, especially those who are totally new sa freelancing, medyo confusing siya, madaming naka-overwhelm, nakakalito, and nakakapagod din na tasks. So I just want to say na, kumbaga, yeah, it wasn't easy, but you made it here. So congratulations. And uh, kung hindi naman natapos, like a lot of people kasi have been posting messaging recently na, hala, parang week 3 pa lang ako, like, am I a failure? Uh, Hindi naman kasi like yung 8 weeks like we said is really intense and normally it takes talaga longer than 8 weeks to be able to actually master or get results dito sa mga pinaggagawa natin the past 8 weeks. So don't worry about it. Ang kagandahan kasi dun sa PCI is you still have about 4 months more of access dun sa tribe to really make the most out of yung mga natutunan natin dito sa past 8 weeks. And uh, I really hope na parang you get to use all of them or most of them para maka makadating tayo closer to the first client. And for those naman na nagkaroon na ng client, uh, that's that's really awesome kasi 8 weeks nga and this is like the fastest version nung tribe process that yung client getting process that we've ever done kasi uh, lahat pati yung mga strategies on cold email and yung mga offer statement, those things usually take months talaga na parang uh, pag sabay-sabay natin ginawa, talaga it really takes a long time. But if you have clients already, I would love to hear about them. So paki-post na lang sila sa Facebook group, sa tribe group, and we would love to celebrate with you. So yun lang naman. Yeah, so congratulations again. And kung merong mang tanong, like the coaches and the tribe team are always there to to answer them. So make sure you engage dun sa community or ask your questions. And yeah, see you sa loob ng tribe.